speaking a lot about anxiety and burnout and emotional fatigue and disengagement, but we're not speaking about isolated workplace problems anymore. I mean, the stats I showed you earlier shows that there's a whole generation entering adulthood under unprecedented psychological pressure. And I quoted you the South African research, and it is, if it doesn't scare you, it scares the hell out of me, right? And given the big gap in accessing treatment and mental health care, only a small fraction of our student population who are entering the university and who are coping with these mental health or have to live with these mental health issues are probably coping with them. So we've got to think about what is the obligation that comes with that to universities. These are young people entering our campuses, they're entering our workplaces, and they will eventually become future leaders of our institutions.